Welcome to a digital tour of the installation Breaking and Entering. Explore how science and society relate. There's no right or wrong way to meet the installation. The most important thing is curiosity and a desire to have your opinions challenged. The White Tower in the middle of the installation presents 4 different perspectives on the ideal relationship between science and society. These ideals contain very diverse understandings of the social responsibility of science. Each entrance represents one ideal, and hence a certain understanding of the role of science in society. At the counter, you can pick up an iPad and use it to find a number of images throughout the installation and scan them. When you scan an image, a video starts and elaborates on the subject that the image represents. In Entrance 1, you can build on to the scientific structure and maybe contribute to the development of true knowledge. Here, science is separated from society, and the scientists decide themselves which areas need attention. In Entrance 2, you, as a scientist, have to look out into society and be aware of its problems and challenges. Science has to focus on research that works to solve these problems. In Entrance 3, you as a citizen can say which societal problems you believe should be solved. Then it's the job of politicians and society to choose the most important problems that science should work to solve. In Entrance 4, a close collaboration and open dialogue between scientists and citizens ensures that the most important problems of society are solved. Around the White Tower are several stations where you can let your opinion be heard. Among other things, you can write down your hopes and fears for the future, consider the degree of risk that science can cause, or cast a vote on who should prioritize funds for scientific research. All the examples used in the installation are based in the new field synthetic biology and the solutions and problems that this field poses. There are no easy answers or quick solutions, but by exploring the relationship between science and society, you're already off to a good start. If you want more information, please go to www.breaking-entering.dk.